Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Southern Coastal Highway, or we're looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are driving through Yalos, and this highway is going to run from Harborview to Portland, and it's going to go through Yalos. So this is a section 1B, which will run from Yalos to Morant Bay. And this section is being done by subcontractors, and you've heard in the news recently or for some time now about the problem that the persons in the area are having because of the subcontractors. So this is the road, the actual road. You can see it was dug up to the pipes, and you notice you don't see any work going on. You don't see any construction. The road has just been left in this state. So China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor for the entire highway. And the highway is going to be 110 kilometers, but it's being built out in phases. So phase 1A, which is Harborview to the Yalos Bridge, is almost finished basically. You can drive on finished sections of the road. You can see a lot of road work taking place. And China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor that does the actual work on that section. This section is section 1B from the Yalos Bridge to Morant Bay, and it goes through Yalos. And this part is being done by local contractors. And you can see why the persons in the area. Look at the amount of dust. Oh my God, this is the town of Yalos. And you can look at the state of the road. This is the state of the road. Now, the local contractors were met with the Prime Minister because the residents blocked the road. Bus operators and taxi operators said they're not using the road, so students can't get to school. It created a major problem. But this is why the persons protested. This is why the residents are complaining so much. Look at the state of the road. And to make matters worse, there is no construction going on. No road work is going on. The road has just been left in this state. From the video started, have you seen any road work being done? There is a tractor straight ahead, but it's parked. It's not working. This is why the persons are so upset. Now, the government reminded China Harbour Engineering Company that they are responsible for the entire highway. So if the local subcontractors fall short, they are responsible. China Harbour Engineering Company at the end of the day. That's the why they chose to use these local contractors. I don't know if it was put into the contract. I don't know, but it must have been. Because look at the state of this road. And unbelievable. This is a main town in Jamaica. This road is supposed to be a highway quality road when finished. Now the road from Harborview to the Yalos Bridge is 4 lanes, and then it then goes to 2 lanes in some sections all the way to Portland. But this now you know why the residents are so upset. And the road has been like this for months. We have videos up of driving through here, and the road is in the same state. So can you imagine you have to use this road every day? Now you understand the plight of the residents and the taxi operators. it. This road does not even have asphalt on it. It's literally a riverbed.